Have you ever walked around your kitchen and thought,
there's nothing to eat? Well, don't fret, because I am here to teach you how to make a sandwich. We'll be making two of the most common sandwiches, so try to keep up. First is the classic PB&J, to which you will need bread, peanut butter, and jelly.
first what you want to do is lay out your 2 pieces of bread, and then grab a butter knife and do even spreads trying to cover your full piece. And importantly,
Wipe off your knife in between the peanut butter and jelly so there's no contamination.
then spread on the other slice and lay them together. You can either cut it horizontally or diagonally, depending on which you prefer.
And now you have a PB&J sandwich, and if you want, you can substitute these ingredients for basically anything you want. Just experiment a little, find which is best for you.
Next is the classic sandwich.
Now I will be using turkey, mayo, and whatever cheese this is, but you can basically use whatever you want.
Now lay out your piece of bread and begin adding your meat. And if it extends too much over the edge, just fold it back on top after you've added the meat you want.
Now you add the cheese to your sandwich.
Now, cheese comes in many forms, but no matter what kind, what you want to do is try to keep it even across the sandwich so you get that nice consistency.
Now if you want to be healthy, this is where you would add any lettuce or tomatoes to your sandwich if you wanted to.
If you've added your filling of the sandwich, you can add any condiments you want. Then you can close your sandwich and again cut it either horizontally or diagonally, depending on which you prefer.
Now you have a meal, so go out there and enjoy your newfound skill.